The annual meeting is where it all comes together. I think it's one of the best-in-class events.
There's no question that it's sort of like the premium event for those who are in the industry and in our sector of the industry.
At the heart of the conference is an opportunity to be part of the industry-leading conversations where companies get together and figure out how we can progress the industry in a positive direction.
There's so many different tracks that for someone like myself that works with many different pharmaceutical facility types, be able to get some exposure to solid dosage, to biotech, and sterile fill finish at the same time.
But there's always those nuggets of information that are great value, that I like to be able to be here to learn, that other people have learned through their experience.
And it's an efficient way to network and catch up with people that I've known, and this is kind of a great spot to do it.
You meet vendors, service providers, CROs, manufacturers, regulators, and I don't know anywhere else you just get that broad spectrum.
There's really no other medium in the industry where we can all collectively get together and socialize and network and share experiences. So it's a real special event. You know, look forward to it every year.